Praise the Lord. So manu pratana de yatuvide do Chennai jase. Pura cyclone ka aayega saise. Pura khatma se. Pura pani banna se tera ho jane. To condition pura kirigena.
For the day suspended.
So we're getting these very disturbing images from Chennai. The cyclone seems to be getting quite bad. I'm told, Rajdeep, it's pronounced Migwan. That's what, how they pick the names of these cyclones is always something that intrigues me. We've got two of our colleagues who are joining us at this time. Shibi is joining us from Mylapore in Chennai. We've got Shilpa Naya joining us from the Chennai Corporation. Shibi, can you take our viewers through what you're hearing about the preparations being made by the state administration? You were these cars floating around as if they were boats. The situation in Chennai looks to be quite grim.
The rainfall, and it's completely difficult, very difficult, and the manholes also is one danger that the people will have to be careful about. So these are the guidelines: mainly stay indoors as much as possible. There's traffic diversion in the city. By evening, we might have a reduction in the rainfall, but as of now, it's been continuously the junction where it's leading to.
So I have that map, Rajdeep, on the screen right now. It shows you where the cyclone is at the.
More easy to commute, but right now it's been.
So we're getting these very disturbing images from Chennai. The cyclone seems to be getting quite bad. I'm told, Rajdeep, it's pronounced Migwan. That's what,
it's been removed right now,
how they pick the names of these cyclones is always something that intrigues me. We've got two of our colleagues who are joining us at this time. Shibi is joining us from Mylapore in Chennai. We've got Shilpa Naya joining us from the Chennai Corporation. Shibi, can you take our viewers through what you're hearing about the preparations being made by the state administration? You were these cars floating around as if they were boats. The situation in Chennai looks to be quite grim.
Not a lot of them are out on the roads because the best they can do right now to cooperate with the officials is to stay indoors. There have been directions issued to people, mainly it's to stay indoors, and also the metro stations have been completely waterlogged in most of the region. So there have been issued guidelines to use the alternate options, whatever is available, and all of it only leading to absolutely necessary. But stay indoors as much as possible, because as they were here in the morning, it was little more easy to commute, but right now it's been nearly become impossible to commute freely for the people. The rescue officials, the NDRF team is here, and early morning there are a lot of trees. The manholes also is one danger that the people will have to be it's been removed right now. These are the guidelines. The water logging as much as possible. The water level seems to increase diversion in the city. By evening, we might have lashing parts of Chennai city. Reduction in the rainfall, but as of now, it's been continuously the city has come to a standstill. Having a lot of difficulty.
So I have that map, Rajdeep, on the screen right now. It shows you where the cyclone is at this moment. So I'm going to try and walk across and see if you can pick this up. So this is Chennai. This is where the cyclone is at this time. You've got Nellore there as well, and so is Puducherry in that general area. I'm looking at the latest dispatch from the Met Department. They're saying that this is over southwest and adjoining West Central Bay of Bengal, moving northwards with a speed at this moment of 10 kilometers per hour. It's likely to move further towards South Andhra, North Tamil Nadu coastlines, around 110 kilometers northeast of Chennai, 190 kilometers southeast of Nellore, about 210 kilometers northeast of Puducherry. It's likely to move northwestwards, intensify further into a severe cyclonic storm by today, the 4th of December. Thereafter, it would move nearly northwards, almost parallel and close to South Andhra. So I have that map, Rajdeep, and on the screen right now. Andhra, it shows you where the cyclone is at this moment. During the forenoon of the 5th of December, as a severe cyclonic storm with a maximum sustained wind speed of this is where the cyclone is at this time. To 110 kilometers. Nellore there as sounds well, pretty severe. And I think in the entire area, I'm looking at the latest dispatch from the Met Department. What was building up saying right that this is over southwest and adjoining West Central Bay of Bengal. Water gushing, moving northwards with a speed at this moment of 10 kilometers kilometers per
The
hour.
images are strikingly similar to 2015.
It's likely
when Chennai was
to
completely
move
flooded
further
out.
towards South
Remember,
Andhra,
a lot of
North
the
Tamil
drainage
Nadu
points of
coastlines,
Chennai have seen
around
massive
110
construction
kilometers
in
northeast
recent
of
times.
Chennai,
And therefore, it's
190
become
kilometers
difficult for the
southeast of
waters to
Nellore,
flow into the
about
lakes in
210
and around
kilometers
Chennai.
northeast of
Those
Puducherry.
troubling images
It's
suggest
likely
that
to move
it
north,
could only get worse,
northwestwards,
which is the worry if the rains intensify.
further
So our
into
prayers,
a
thoughts to the
severe
people of Chennai,
cyclonic storm
and
by
with the
today,
hope
the
that
4th of
we
December.
will see
Thereafter, it would move nearly
the
northwards,
administration
almost parallel
recognizing
and
the
close to South
emergency
Andhra
situation
Pradesh
that
coast
exists.
and
In the
across
next
South
24 hours, I
Andhra,
think our
between
gaze will have
Nellore
to
and
shift from the
Machilipatnam,
counting of numbers to the
during the
images that
forenoon
we're
of the
seeing coming
5th
out
of
of
December.
Chennai. This is becoming now the biggest story.